Welcome. I want to introduce to you the Stay Firm Kit, just briefly give you some insight as to what it is and what it's used for. At Tim Medical, we have the vacuum erection devices. We've got some other products that help establish the erection, but the question for a lot of men is, if I'm able to get an erection, even without a vacuum erection device, but I can't sustain it, I'm not able to hold on to that erection, what's the solution for that? I mean, it's one thing to build the erection, but if I can't complete, if I'm with a partner, I can't reach that place of ejaculation before I lose the firmness in my erection, is there a solution for that? And there is a solution. There are a lot of solutions. And the one thing I always say in all these videos is there is no one thing that works for every single person. You've just got to find what works best for you. And when it comes to losing an erection, it's possible that you are experiencing venous leak, where you get that oxygen-rich blood into the penis, but then almost as quickly it goes back to the heart. So you lose that blood out of the penis. You're not able to hold it in there. And one of the products that's available for that is called a cock ring. These you can buy anywhere. You can go to the store in your neighborhood. You can go online and find these. And what these do is that these sort of trap that blood in the penis. You can put it on the penis and then it holds that blood in. For a lot of men, this is the solution. Now, what you'll notice about the cock ring is that once you have it on, it doesn't change size. It's one size. There are different sizes that you can buy, but it's one size once you buy it and you put it on. So it's not increasing. It doesn't maybe give enough tension to hold that blood in. So this might not work for everybody. Now, one of the products we have here at Tim Medical is the Venous, and this is an elastic loop. I'm going to link to a description of that right here. You can take a look at that, and what it does is it provides just more control over how much constriction you have. So this may be an option for you. And then for some men, they need absolutely more than that. So that's where the Stay Firm Kit may be a solution for those men. So basically the Stay Firm Kit comes as the cone, the ring. It comes with 2 Positive tension rings, and then it also comes with this lubricant, this water-based lubricant. Now, the difference between the Stay Firm Kit and these rings and this, you can see, is pretty significant. And the question is, if I want to use something like this, get this on the base of the penis, hold that blood in, how do I get this from here to here? And you can't put it onto a flaccid or non-erect penis, because that's going to keep the oxygen-rich blood from getting into the penis and building the erection in the first place. And you can't put it on after you build the erection, because just in that moment, that time, it's stressful. You're trying to get this onto the penis, and who knows how long that will take. Really need a solution that gets this preloaded onto something else so that you can then quickly transfer it onto the base of the penis, and that's where the Stay Firm Kit comes into play. So you see that you've got the loading cone, you've got the ring, and this is where we want to get this tension ring onto here, and the way we do that is by using the loading cone. So lubrication is the key to this. So I want to get good lubrication here all around the perimeter of the loading cone, because I don't want the tension ring to roll. I want it to stay in its one position as I transfer it from where it is here onto the ring. So I'm going to put this like this. And I'm just going to take the tension ring, I'm going to pull out on these outer tabs, and then with my thumb here pushing down, I'm going to take it here, I'm going to push down, and now it's loaded onto the ring, and I'm able to then pull the loading cone away, and I've got it preloaded, and I've increased the diameter from where it was at the beginning to here. And then you'll notice as you look at the cone, and we've got another video right up here that explains this, but there is a ridge that keeps it, when I'm loading it, from snapping off the bottom. It holds it in place, but I want to make sure the ridge is away from the body. It's toward the head of the penis, so that as I'm doing this, I want to keep, again, the ridge is here on this side, and then I'm going to put this onto the erect penis, and now I'm in a good position where I can then transfer the tension ring onto the base of the penis, move the ring away, and now I'm in a good position here. Got good tension on the base of the penis, able to hold that blood in. And the one thing I always want to remind you is you never want to keep these tension rings on the penis, whether it's in an erect state or in a flaccid state, for longer than 30 minutes. And with the Stay Firm Kit, you get the cone, you get the ring here, you get 2 of the tension rings, you get these 5 ounces of water-based lubricant, but also, very importantly, you get the instructions. And on the back side here, the instructions, there again is a step-by-step process for getting these tension rings loaded onto the base of the penis, the precautions, the warnings, anything else you need to read. It's a very simple kit, and I think it's a great deal because these 2 tension rings by themselves, along with the lubricant, is about the price you'd pay for the whole thing. So it's worth at least looking into, considering if this would work for you. Like I said before, no one solution works for every single patient, but if you're able to build a good erection, but you're not able to sustain that erection for penetration, for ejaculation, then getting the tension ring onto the base of the penis might be a solution for you. If you have questions, you can reach us at education@timmedical.com. If you're interested in the Stay Firm kit, I'm going to put a link in the description to go to the page on our website where you can buy this. If you enter YouTube15 in the checkout, in the coupon code, you're going to save another 15% off of this. So again, it's worth looking at, considering there is no one solution that works for every single man, but this may be a solution for you.